Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install Lutris on your Linux Mint 20.3? Lutris is a free and open-source game manager for Linux-based operating systems. Lutris depends on Wine. In order to install Lutris successfully on your Linux Mint 20.3, you must have installed Wine on your Linux Mint. To see how you can watch the video in the video card right on your screen's right corner. Let's install Lutris. Open Terminal app on your Linux Mint. Let's check if Wine is installed or not. It's there. Let's update our system first. Running apt update. Done updating? Add the Lutris PPA repository as shown. This will make you able to install the most recent version of Lutris on your Linux Mint 20.3. Done adding it? Run apt update once again to update the newly added source. You can install Lutris now with simple apt install command. The Lutris download and installation may take a while. So have patience. It's done. Lutris is installed successfully. You may exit terminal now and start Lutris from the applications menu. The first boot of Lutris may take a while. So have patience. Lutris is there. Enjoy using it. Happy Linux gaming. Thanks for watching. Good day.